Your computers are working, your email is working, the Wi-Fi is working, and nobody has called the help desk today. So, what exactly are you paying your IT company to do? Drink coffee? Well, hopefully they're drinking some coffee. But there's actually a lot happening that you never see. First, they're monitoring your technology, computers, networks, and cloud services. They find problems before they become yours. They're installing security patches, because ignoring updates for 6 months is not technically a cybersecurity strategy. They're also watching for cyber threats, malware, and phishing. Basically, people who would really like your password. They're testing your backups, because discovering they don't work after you lose data is a very bad Tuesday. They're managing cloud permissions and figuring out why Bob has access to something he definitely shouldn't. And yes, they're fixing everyday problems. Password resets, printers, and everyone's favorite. Have you tried restarting it? But great IT isn't just about fixing things. Your provider should be helping you plan for growth and security. When good IT is working, you barely notice it. Fewer emergencies, less downtime, and employees who can actually do their jobs. If you're wondering what you're paying for, visit Tech Support Bids. Bid, compare, and choose your provider. Because good IT shouldn't leave you wondering. And yes, they can still have the coffee. TechSupportBids.com